Essay My Mother. Mother is the person that can't be described in words. In my life, my mother is the person who occupies my heart the most. She always plays a vital role in shaping my life. My mother is a beautiful lady who takes care of me in every walk of my life. Her busy schedule starts before the sun rises. She not only prepares food for us but also helps me in all my daily works. Whenever I find any difficulty in my studies, my mother plays the role of a teacher and solves my problems. When I get bored, my mother plays the role of a friend and plays with me. My mother plays a different role in our family. She spends a sleepless night when any member of our family falls sick and take proper care of us. She can sacrifice with a smiling face for the benefit of the family. My mother is very hardworking in nature. She does works all day from morning to night. She guides me in every walk of my life. At a tender age, it was not easy to decide for me what was good or what was bad. But my mother is always with me to show me the right path of life.